Good day once again, everyone, and you are welcome to Mathematics Solution Center. Today we are going to be looking at a question that says, find the center and the radius of the circle. 36x squared plus 36y squared minus 24x minus 36y minus 23 is equal to 0. We are going to solve this using two methods. So number one method now, the equation given is 36x squared. The first thing we have to do, let's divide through by the coefficient of x squared and y squared. We have to make sure the coefficient of x squared and y squared is units. Therefore, we are going to have x squared plus y squared, then minus 24x over 36 minus 36y over 36, then minus 23 over 36 is equal to 0 over 36. So this is what we have. We can reduce the fractions to their lowest term. Therefore, we have x squared plus y squared minus 12 can go. 12 goes in 24. We have 2x over 12 goes in 36. We have 3. Then minus y, 36 divided by 36 is 1. 23 over 36 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the general form of a circle, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy then plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of equation of a circle. Okay, we can now compare the coefficient now, the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. The coefficient of x, 2g, is equal to minus 2 over 3. So multiply both sides by 1 over 2 and have 1 over 2 times 2g is equal to minus 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. 2 will cancel 2 here. 2 will also cancel 2. Therefore, I'm left with g is equal to minus 1 over 3. If g is equal to minus 1 over 3, a will be equal to 1 over 3 because a is the negative of g. We are going to repeat the same process for the coefficient of y. If you look at the equation, from the general equation, we have 2f as the coefficient of y, and the 2f is equal to the coefficient of y in the equation of the circle is minus 1. Divide both sides by 2. We have f is equal to minus 1 over 2. If f is equal to minus 1 over 2, b will be equal to the negative of f, which is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2. That is the value of b. So the center of the circle is always a comma b. Therefore, the center of this circle is actually 1 over 3, 1 over 2. We've gotten the coordinate of the center, so remaining the radius of the circle. So don't forget that from this equation, if you look at c is equal to minus 23 over 36. So I have my c to be equal to minus 23 over 36. But don't forget that c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus r squared. So we have our a, we have our c, we have our b. Therefore, c is minus 23 over 36 is equal to what is a? A is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 squared. Then plus b is 1 over 2 squared. Then minus r squared. So let's simplify this further. We have 23 over 36 is equal to 1 squared is 1 over 3 squared is 9. Then plus 1 squared is 1 over 2 squared is 4. Then minus r squared. Minus 23 over 36 is equal to 9 goes in 36, we have 4. Then plus 9 minus r squared. So I have minus 23 over 36 is equal to 4 plus 9, that is 13 over 36 minus r squared. So take r to the other side and take minus 23 over 36 to the other side. I have r squared is equal to 13 over 36 plus 23 over 36. R squared. So the LCM of 36 and 36 is 36. 36 goes in 36 is 1. 1 times 13. 13 plus 23. 36 over 36. So that means R squared is equal to 1. R is equal to square root of 1. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 1. So we've gotten the coordinate of the center and the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 1, and the coordinate of the center is 1 over 3, 1 over 2. This is the first method. We are going to use the second method to solve this same equation and see what we are going to get. The equation still remains 36x squared plus 36y squared minus 24x minus 36y minus 23 is equal to 0. So we are going to use the second method, but don't forget that we still have to reduce it by dividing through by 36. Let's split the left-hand side into two parts. So we are going to have x squared minus 2x over 3, then plus y squared minus y is equal to 23 over 36. Now we are going to convert this and this, each of them, into a perfect square. So to the x part, we are going to add half of the coefficient of x, that is 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 squared. So this is what we are going to add to the expression in terms of x, and then we will add this to this expression in terms of y, 1 over 2 times 1 squared. So and we make sure that we add these two terms to both sides of this equation. So we have 2, we cancel 2 here, so we are left with 1 over 3 squared. Then this is what we are going to add to x, to the expression in terms of x, and then 1 over 2 squared. So the two terms is going to be added to both sides. So let's do that now. We are going to have x squared minus 2x over 3, then plus 1 over 3 squared, then plus y squared minus y, then plus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 23 over 36. But don't forget, plus 1 over 3 squared, then also plus 1 over 2 squared. All the expression in terms of x now, we have converted it to a perfect square. And also, we have also converted this to a perfect square. So we can factorize the two equations as a perfect square. Therefore, for x, we are going to have x minus 1 over 3 squared. If I should expand this, I am going to get this back. So I have factorized it now. Then let's factorize the expression in terms of y. Then plus, open the bracket, y minus 1 over 2 squared. So is equal to, let's work on the right hand side. So we have 23 over 36 plus 1 square is 1 over 3 square is 9. Then plus 1 square is 1 over 2 square is 4. X minus 1 over 3 squared, then plus y minus 1 over 2 squared is equal to, the LCM of 36, 9, and 4 is 36. 36 goes in 36 is 1. 1 times 23. We have 23 plus 9 goes in 36 is 4. 4 times 1. We have 4 plus we have 9. So the expression becomes x minus 1 over 3 squared plus y minus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 23 plus 4 plus 9 is going to give us 36. So 36 divided by 36 is 1. Therefore, our expression becomes then x minus 1 over 3 squared plus y minus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 1. We can as well write it as 1 squared is 1. So we can now compare this with the equation of a circle. Let's compare this with the equation of a circle, which is x minus a squared then plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So from this you can see that our a is equal to 1 over 3 and then b is equal to 1 over 2. yr is equal to 1. So the coordinate of the center of the circle is a comma b. One over 3 comma 1 over 2, and the radius of the circle is equal to 1. Exactly what we got before. We have come to the end of this tutorial. In case you have any question, kindly put it in the comment section. I promise I'm going to reply to it. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscription button now. Like this video, share it, and at the same time, don't forget to put on the notification. Thanks and remain blessed.